Hi children, last class we discussed about the addition of money. So addition of money, so write the rupees and paisas in the correct boxes. So this is the precaution for you, and here we observe, we learn that the subtraction of money. So question number 1, from rupees 79.80 paisa subtract rupees 69.90 paisa. Observe children, which is a bigger number here? So write that in the minute place, and the smaller number you have to write in the subtrahend place. Here from means we have to write this from is called as minute, and then we have to subtract subtrahend. Okay children? So write the rupees 79 paisa, that is 80, and next rupees 69.90 paisa. Write the subtraction symbol minus rupees 69.90 paisa. So write in the correct places, then it avoids the confusion. So now we have to subtract. This is called as minus, this is the subtrahend. 0 minus 0 or 0. 8 minus 9, it is not possible. Take borrow from the next nearest place. This 9 becomes 8, and this 8 becomes what? 18. 18 minus 9 what? 9 minus, sorry, point. And then 8 minus 9 also it is not possible because the subtrahend is greater than this minute. And again we take the borrow from this place. This 7 becomes 6. This 8 becomes again 18. 18 minus 9, what's the answer? 9. And then 6 minus 6, you get 0. Answer is rupees 9.90 paisa. Next, second sum. Subtract rupees 44.75 paisa from rupees 76.25 paisa. Observe children, from, read the question carefully. From ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 44 ಮೈನಸ್ 44 rupees 75 ಪೈಸಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 76 rupees 25 ಪೈಸಾ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ rupees 44.75 ಪೈಸಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? rupees 76.25 ಪೈಸಾ ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಆ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 76 rupees 76.25 paisa. 76.25 paisa. And subtract, this is called as subtrahend, 44 rupees 75 paisa. Now we have to subtract. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 7 is not possible because 7 is greater than 2. Now we have to borrow from the nearest place. This 6 becomes 5, and then this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 what? You get 5. Minus, here 5 minus 4, 1. And then 7 minus 4, 3. The answer is rupees 31.50 paisa. Okay children, don't do the confusion. So write the minute. Bigger number you have to write in the minute place. Smaller number you have to write in the subtrahend place. Next, let us discuss about one more sum. That is a statement sum. Salman has rupees 97.50 paisa. Amount with Salman. with Salman. So he has some amount, that is rupees 97.50 paisa, and he buys a t-shirt for rupees 85.75 paisa. Then calculate the remaining amount with him. So amount with Salman is rupees 97.50 paisa. 50 paisa. But he purchased some t-shirt. The amount of t-shirt is rupees 85.75 paisa. Amount paid for t-shirt. So how much he paid? Rupees 85.75 paisa. So what is the remaining amount we have? Therefore, remaining amount. So now we have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 5 is not possible because subtrahend is greater than -. Take borrow from the nearest place. This 5 becomes 4. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7 is, it is also not possible. So take borrow. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7, 7. This 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. So the remaining amount with Salman is rupees 11.75 paisa. Next, exercise number 10.2. In that one, first name subtract. Subtract the following. First one, rupees 76.25 paisa minus rupees 44.50 paisa. Okay. So now we have to do the subtraction. I will write one more sum also. Rupees 98.50 paisa minus rupees 55.50 paisa. Do the subtraction. You have to write in your rough book and write to solve this sum. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest place. This 6 becomes 5. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. This 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. Answer is rupees 31.75 paise. Next, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. Answer is rupees 43. That's all. There is no number in the paisa column, so only rupees. That is rupees 43 only. Next question. Second, subtract rupees 18.50 paisa from rupees 25.10 paisa. So observe carefully. Subtract rupees 18.50 paisa from rupees 25 paisa. So rupees 25.10 paisa. So here which number we have to write in the minor column? That is rupees 25.10 paisa minus rupees 18.50 paisa. Now we have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. So this 1 becomes 11, this 4, 5 becomes 4 because we take borrow. 11 minus 5, 6. And then this 4 minus 8, it is not possible. So take borrow from this place. This 2 becomes 1. This 14 becomes 8. 14 minus 8. So we can do the subtraction. That is 6. We get 6 here. And then this 1 minus 1 you get 0. Answer is rupees 660 paisa. Next, here are some statement sums. So write these fillings using your pencil. So when after I will give the class of notes, so after that you have to write it. So whether you have to write here now only, but using pencils, if there are some mistakes, so see the class works and correct yourself. So here is statement problem. Sonika has rupees 50. She purchases bangles and rings for rupees 45.50 paisa. What is the amount remaining with her? Sonika has some amount with her. Amount with Sonika. Her means amount with Sonika. So that is rupees. So we can write here also rupees and paisa 50. So there is no number in the place. So I have already told that you have to write zeros. If there is no paisa in the paisa column, write 0 only. And he spent amount spent for some jewels, that is bangles or it may be some rings. Amount spent with Sonika or by Sonika. So what is the amount spent by Sonika? 45 rupees 50 paisa. So now 0 0 first ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ therefore the remaining amount is equal to, do the subtraction here. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest place, but the nearest place also 0, and take from the next nearest place, that is 5. That 5 becomes 4. This becomes 10, but we give borrow to the next one. This becomes 10, and this 0 becomes 9. 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 5 4. 4 minus 4 0. Answer is, the remaining amount with Sonika is rupees 450 paisa. Next, Lakshmisha purchased some stamps and postcards for rupees 50 paisa. He gave a rupees 100 note to the person in the post office counter. What is the amount returned to the Lakshmisha? So he purchased some stamps. The cost of the stamp is rupees 50 paisa. He gave amount, how much? He gave amount to the post office counter, that is rupees 100 paisa color. Write down 0 zeros. But the cost of the stamp is how much? That is rupees 50 paisa. So you must write the paisa 52 right in the correct places. So 52. So 2 right in the unit place, 5 right in the tens place. Then so the amount returned by the amount returned to Lakshmisha. Amount to be returned to Lakshmisha is. So we have to now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take borrow from this place. This place also 0. And next place also 0. But take borrow from one's place. This not one's place, in the 100 place. So this 1 becomes 0. This becomes 10. But we give borrow to the next numbers. So this becomes 9 and also this becomes 9, this becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. This 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, how much? 4. So 0. So the amount given to Lakshmisha is rupees 47.50 paisa. So to find the value of one or more objects, we have to do first addition and then the remaining amount or return amount we have to do the subtraction. Next, from exercise 10.3, a playing doll cost rupees 45. Exercise 10.3. A playing doll costs rupees 45. What is the total cost of 3 such dolls? So now we have to do the multiplication or what? Yes, we have to do the multiplication. So a playing doll, cost of playing doll. That is rupees 45. Now we have to do the cost for 3 dolls. Cost of 3 such dolls, 45 rupees. 45 into 3. Is it right? What we have to do now? So we have to do the subtraction. First, multiply 3 by 45. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So the total amount for 3 such dolls is rupees 135. A packet of cooking oil costs rupees 82.50 paisa. What is the cost of 5 such packets? Cost of cooking oil, that is rupees 82.50 paisa. Cost of 5 such packets is equal to what? 82 into 50 paisa. Sorry, 82 rupees 50 paisa into 5. 5 zeros are how much? 0. 5 5 is a 25. Write down 5 here, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Again 1 carry. 5 8s are how much? 40. 40 plus 1, 41. So then the cost of 5 cooking oil is rupees 412.50 paisa. Clear children? 412, 50 or 50 paisa. Like that we have to calculate the sums. Okay. Next class we will discuss about